Yo, what is up, guys? Just got done with a big one, and today we're gonna be doing a bit of a tutorial. I know you guys love tutorials, so today I'm gonna be doing a cooking tutorial. Today is gonna be my favorite sandwich, which you all should know by this point. It's the PB&J and M. You'll see, guys. You'll love it. Just trust me on this one. All right, so first step. This is important for everyone. Make sure to always wash your hands. Okay, guys? So I'm gonna wash my hands real quick. All right, there's that. Make sure you're sanitary. All right, next, get your trusty knife. This is a sandwich, by the way. So, get your knife. There's not a lot of room on here, so I might be crafting my sandwich somewhere else, but get your bread. Today I've got my favorite kind of bread here. It's gluten-free, whole grain, the country white. And then make sure, all right, look at that loaf. Now, I know it's really joked about, but seriously, I am a huge fan of the edge pieces. They always just have what I like, you know? So I did that. Get this piece. Yeah, that works. Okay. Make sure to put your materials back. Don't want to leave a mess for mommy. All right. What's next? What's next, guys? Okay. Guess. You've got you got PB, you got J, and you got M. Which one do you think is first? I'll give you a few seconds. You're right. It is, you always start with the J. Make sure to get it. Ooh, it's kind of cold in there. All right, let's see. And then we're gonna be crafting your sandwich here, so let's see. I'm gonna open it up, and then this is an important decision to do right now, guys. So you wanna see which side you want your jam on. Personally, I'm thinking I always like a little more jam, so I'm gonna do it on the bigger piece. Okay. Get your knife. Let's see. Okay. And then get the J, get some jam on there. Get some jam. Make sure to get some jam on there. Get the jam on there. Alright, and then spread it. And you guys might be thinking, why would you do tutorial on a PB&J? I know how to make a PB&J, but you guys do not know how to make my PB&J, is the thing. And then, since we're gonna be doing some double dipping with all the sauces, make sure to clean the knife in between. So, let's see. Just grab whatever's on hand. I got some tissues here. And make sure to clean off your knife. All right. And then, so we've got that prepped. Make sure to put your ingredients back, guys. All right. Now, what's next? Is it gonna be PB or M? I love when you guys guess. You're right 90% of the time. You're right. You know I wanted to keep the M for a surprise. So next we're gonna get that PB. Peanut butter. Everybody loves peanut butter, guys. I've never been a huge fan of peanut butter, but righty tighty, lefty loosey. Give me a sec. All right. And then, now here's a huge question. Should I put the M here or PB here? Because if I put the PB here, I'm going to have to choose where the M goes. But if I put the PB here, the M obviously is going to go here. Interesting. I think I'll make it a little interesting. Okay, get your PB, guys. Just a nice, a healthy scoop. And then, let's see. Ooh. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Yeah. And this is actually, this is low sodium natural peanut butter. 7 grams protein, so. And then, make sure to wipe your knife off. It smells kind of strong. I don't know how old this peanut butter is. I might actually wash this knife off in the sink for a second. But make sure to put your ingredients back, as always. Yeah. And then now, I mean, it's kind of obvious now. There's no choice. There's no like, but can you guess what the M is? This is my secret ingredient to it. It's gonna be kind of weird, but it's good. I swear. You just have to try it. All right, let's get it. Can you see it, guys? Can you see it? Mayo. We've got some vegan mayonnaise here. It's very good on a PB&J. An M is what I call it. All right. Let's take a sniff test. You guys sniff it first? Yeah. I actually don't know how old that is, guys. I'm still gonna eat it because this is good stuff, but be advised. Oh, here's the question. Do we want it on the P side, the PB side, or the J side? I think, I'm thinking about the palate. I think it won't penetrate the PB. So I think we put it on the J side. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. All right. Oh, sorry. Didn't have you in shot. Didn't have you in the shot. I was too focused. Salivating over here, guys. And then, again, make sure to wipe off your knife. Alright. Sniff test. And then, guys, what did I tell you? Make sure to put your stuff back. I have that thing on me, you know what I'm saying? Let's see, so close that. Always put it back. All right. And then, All right. Then, let's take a bite. Oh. 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 No. Guys, this might be one of my best. I'm not lying. I'm serious when I say this. This is good. Here's the finished product. It's kind of dry. Should I? I've done it before, but it's kind of like a 50-50 chance. You have to really know how much water to put in. Let's do, a little less, little less, little less, little less. Yeah, like drippings. Okay. Let's try it out. I need both hands for this one, guys. Well, sorry, my hands are all messed. Sorry, guys. All right. Make sure to send me your guys's when you finish. And I think that might be it for today's tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. You know the deal, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully I do another 2-cooking tutorial. It's been a really great time with you here today. Sorry for the late upload, but you know me, I'm always on that grind, so I'm always on the grind. I'll see you in the next one. See you guys. See you later. Bye.